Alright guys, today we're going to start off with some fun, original ideas for gifts, birthday presents, stocking stuffers, and more. And it's with scrap wood, true scrap wood. Not when you see somebody say, oh, scrap wood, and they pull out a 7-foot board. Real scraps. So, here's some of the scrap. These are offcuts for the boards that were behind me. Some 3-foot long pieces and some 2-foot long pieces, but you know, some of them are a 1/16 of an inch thick, 1/8 of an inch. Obviously they're gonna have rough sides because they were the final rip cut that was too small into the boards. So when everything was getting ripped down to its size, and the only part that you didn't see is me just arranging, because it was just a pile of wood, and I ended up getting it close so that they're about 2 3/4 of an inch wide from here to here. So let's dig in on to the milling process. It's just to get it through the planer. I mean, obviously we could do the whole thing by hand if we get some winding sticks and get both sides, but I have a planer, so I will use it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys get anything out of this. We always have a lot of cool projects, a lot of original projects. From a sawmill to tree work to furniture. If it has to do with wood, we've done it or do it. Okay, 3 more to go and send them through the planer. Here's these little miniature gorgeous beasts. Each one of these is, from here to here, it's 2 5/8 of an inch. And they're all dead on. And it's 5/8 of an inch thick. But the problem with having this only 5/8 of an inch thick is resawing this. They're going to be very small. And putting them back together, we'll see how it comes together. 2 2-footers and 2 3-footers. News at 11. these are the finished products. So on the left is tung oil, on the right is nothing. And these are what they look like. Got some keychains mixed in there. The other ones are magnets. That's just with the magnet installed on the bottom. Yeah, I don't know if anybody really cares, but the keychains, they are 1/8 of an inch thick. The magnets are 3/64 of an inch. 3/64 of an inch thicker. So they're 1/64 of an inch shy of 3/16. So slightly thicker. But blah blah blah. That's it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and this is actually going to be part of another video. We'll be doing a giveaway, and I hope you guys are tuned in for it, and take care until the next time.